Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox with no lag on mobile. First, make sure to close all other apps running in the background. This frees up valuable system resources. Also, check that your device has at least 2 gigabytes of free storage. Finally, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network, ideally one offering 25 megabits per second or more for the best connection. Next, let's tweak Roblox's in-game settings. Navigate to the settings menu and lower the graphics quality to its absolute minimum. This significantly reduces the processing load. Additionally, disable any non-essential visual effects such as shadows and reflections. If your game offers it, try limiting the number of players visible on your screen for smoother performance. Maintaining your device is crucial for lag-free gameplay. Regularly clear Roblox's cache from your device's app settings to remove temporary files. Always keep your mobile operating system updated to the latest version, as updates often include performance improvements. A simple restart of your device before playing can also refresh its memory and improve overall responsiveness. Finally, optimize your network connection. Try playing closer to your Wi-Fi router to ensure a strong signal. If your router supports it, switch to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band for potentially faster and more stable speeds. Also, consider playing during off-peak internet usage hours in your home to minimize network congestion and enjoy a smoother Roblox experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.